I can do it, he puffed. And soon he reached the top. Hooray! Thomas tooted. I did it!
You can put it in your mouth?
He felt very pleased, and he steamed on. Then Thomas met Emily.
Emily?
Look at my sailing boat, Emily, Thomas tooted. Don't you look grand, wished Emily. And Thomas knew he did. Thomas felt very grand as he steamed past Elizabeth. Be careful with that tall boat, she hooted. It's a very blustery day.
And put it in your mouth.
But Thomas felt far too
It's less messy
important
that
to
way.
take any notice. Next, Thomas puffed
Look,
towards a
I'll show
low
you.
bridge.
Yeah, there you
Rosie
go.
was waiting at the signal.
There you go.
Good job, Thomas, whistled Rosie.
Good job.
Thomas applied his brakes and stopped.
I'm gonna put a little food on it for you.
The mast is too tall to go under.
Can I put some food on it?
Rosie. Then I shall take another track, puffed Thomas.
Let's see. Let Mommy put food on it. I'll give it right back.
Thomas jumped
Okay,
proudly
here's some
on.
food on it.
Then there was trouble. He heard a loud crunch. Thomas looked up.
You don't want to
Tall
put it,
trees
take
were
it and put it in
hanging
your
over
mouth?
the track. Oh no, cried Thomas.
Look.
The
I'm
tall
gonna put it in your
mast
mouth.
must have caught in the trees. Thomas couldn't move forwards or backwards. So he hopped and he jumped. And with a mighty puff,
It's a start.
Thomas broke free. Hooray! Tooted Thomas. But Thomas didn't know the ropes holding the sails had untied.
You're getting there.
Thomas was feeling very grand now.
You're getting
The
there.
wind was strong. It was blowing him along.
Good job.
Whee! Thomas cried happily. He was going
Good
faster
job, Emily.
and faster.
Want a drink?
The wind grew
Wash it
strong.
down?
Thomas raced round the bend.
Can you put the spoon down?
Be careful, Thomas, Molly tooted. The wind is filling the boat's sails. But Thomas pushed by so quickly
Yeah.
he didn't hear her.
Wash it down. Good job.
The mayor, Sir Topham, and